Welcome to Trove TV. In a world where fitness videos are a dime a dozen, I'm on a mission to stand out from the crowd. I'm not just a fitness enthusiast, but a dedicated practitioner who puts in the hard work to ensure that every exercise I share with you is effective and safe. I've spent years honing my craft, testing and refining my techniques, and now I'm ready to share my knowledge with you. Join me on this journey to fitness and wellness, and let's achieve our goals together. With my guidance, you'll be able to unlock your full potential and transform your body in ways you never thought possible. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started today. Before we start our workout, let's get our bodies ready with a quick warm-up. Our warm-up today is side bends. This exercise is perfect for improving flexibility and mobility. It's great for anyone looking to increase their range of motion and get their muscles ready for a workout. To do side bends, stand with your feet shoulder width apart and your hands on your hips. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, bend to one side, keeping your arms straight and your core engaged. Hold for a count of 3, then return to standing. Repeat on the other side. Remember to breathe naturally and smoothly, and don't bounce or force your body beyond a comfortable range. Make sure to check out our channel for more exercise tutorials and fitness tips at Trove TV. Now that we're warmed up, let's begin our workout. We'll be doing a series of exercises that will challenge your body and mind. But don't worry, we'll take it one step at a time. First up, we have split jumps. Stick with me till the end of this video, and I'll tell you whether these exercises are beneficial for you and whether you can do them. You'll know everything by the end. Split jumps are a fun and challenging way to improve your coordination and balance. To do split jumps, stand with your feet together and your hands by your sides. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, jump to one side and land on both feet. Quickly jump to the other side and land on both feet again. Repeat for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Rest for 30 seconds and repeat for 2 to 3 sets. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more workout routines and fitness motivation at Trove TV. Next up, we have plank slaps. This exercise is a great way to strengthen your core muscles and improve your posture. To do plank slaps, start in a plank position with your hands shoulder width apart and your feet hip width apart. Engage your core and hold the position for 30 seconds to 1 minute. As you hold the plank, slap one hand on the ground in front of the other, alternating hands. Up next, we have knee push-ups. This exercise is a great way to strengthen your chest muscles and improve your posture. To do knee push-ups, start in a plank position with your hands shoulder width apart and your feet hip width apart. Lower your body until your knees touch the ground, then push back up to the starting position. Repeat for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Rest for 30 seconds and repeat for 2 to 3 sets. Make sure to check out our channel for more exercise tutorials and fitness tips at Trove TV. Next, we have leg drops. This exercise is a great way to strengthen your leg muscles and improve your balance. To do leg drops, lie on your back with your arms at your sides and your legs straight. To do leg drops, lie on your back with your arms at your sides and your legs straight. Lift one leg 6 to 8 inches off the ground, then lower it back down without touching the floor. Repeat with the other leg. Repeat for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Rest for 30 seconds. And repeat for 2 to 3 sets. Now we have slow burpees. This exercise is a great way to improve your cardiovascular fitness and strengthen your muscles. To do slow burpees, start in a standing position, then drop down into a squat and place your hands on the ground in front of you. From there, kick your feet back into a plank position. Do a push-up, then quickly return your feet to the squat position and stand up. Repeat for 30 seconds to 1 minute, rest for 30 seconds, and repeat for 2 to 3 sets. Next, we have Supermans. This exercise is a great way to strengthen your back muscles and improve your posture. To do Supermans, lie on your stomach with your arms extended in front of you and your legs straight. Lift your arms and legs off the ground, holding for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Repeat for 2 to 3 sets. Remember to always listen to your body, rest when needed, and consult a fitness professional if you have any concerns. Now we have jumping jacks. This exercise is a great way to improve your cardiovascular fitness and burn calories. To do jumping jacks, stand with your feet together and your hands by your sides. Jump your feet out to the sides while raising your arms above your head, then quickly return to the starting position. Repeat for 30 seconds to 1 minute, rest for 30 seconds, and repeat for 2 to 3 sets. Next, we have tricep dips. This exercise is a great way to strengthen your tricep muscles and improve your overall arm strength. To do tricep dips, sit on the edge of a chair or bench with your hands next to your hips and your feet flat on the floor. Lower your body by bending your elbows until your arms are bent. At a 90-degree angle, then straighten your arms to return to the starting position. Repeat for 30 seconds to 1 minute, rest for 30 seconds. And repeat for 2 to 3 sets, repeat for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Rest for 30 seconds and repeat for 2 to 3 sets. Now we have squat and kick. This exercise is a great way to strengthen your leg muscles and improve your balance. To do squat and kick, stand with your feet shoulder width apart and your hands by your sides. Lower your body into a squat, then kick one leg forward and quickly return to the starting position. Repeat with the other leg. Repeat for 30 seconds to 1 minute, rest for 30 seconds, and repeat for 2 to 3 sets. Now finally, we have plank. This exercise is a great way to strengthen your core muscles and improve your posture. To do plank, start in a plank position with your hands shoulder width apart and your feet hip width apart. Engage your core and hold the position for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Repeat for 2 to 3 sets. And that's a wrap. Congratulations on completing today's workout routine. Who should avoid these exercises? People with underlying medical conditions, such as heart problems or chronic injuries, should consult their doctor before starting any new exercise routine. Pregnant women or those who have recently given birth should avoid high-impact exercises and focus on low-intensity activities. Individuals with physical limitations or disabilities should modify the exercises to suit their needs or consult a fitness professional. Asterisk, who can do these exercises? Healthy adults looking to improve their fitness and well-being. Fitness enthusiasts seeking to challenge themselves and achieve their goals. Athletes looking to improve their performance and gain a competitive edge. Asterisk, how long to do these exercises for? Best results. Asterisk. Aim to do these exercises regularly, ideally 3 to 4 times a week for at least 30 to 45 minutes per session. Remember to stretch and cool down, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness motivation and exercise tutorials. Thanks for joining me on Trove TV. See you next.